Okay, let's start. My dear students, we are going to start today lesson 7 unit 6. Okay, reaching Bangkok. Another important lesson for you, I think. So there are some important words. There are some questions as well. If you go through the text first, before this, we'll see the words given as the keywords here. Look at the keywords first. First one is derived. Okay, derived means derive. Can you tell the meaning of derive? Anyone? Derive meaning originated. G-I-N-A-T-E-D. Originated. Derived. Or came from. Came from. Originated or came from. C-A-M-E came from. Meaning. So this is an important derive. Derive is a verb, you know. Derive is a verb. Originated or came from. Important word for you. Write do the meanings of it. This is a verb. Derived. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one, parallel. Another important word, parallel. Parallel meaning সমান্তরাল. Bangla meaning সমান্তরাল. English meaning is co-lateral. Collateral. সমান্তরাল. That is the meaning, collateral. সমান্তরাল, parallel, সমান্তরাল. Or matched, also be similar to this. So parallel, another important word, collateral. Adjective. These are adjective. So write the meaning, similar meanings. Our opposite is unequal, unparalleled, unparalleled or unequal, unparalleled. Yes, walaikum salam. Next, another important word, cargo. What do you mean? Do you understand what is the meaning of cargo? Can anyone tell us? Cargo. Cargo means actually goods. Malpotro. Bangla meaning of malpotro, goods. Cargo. Very much important word. You know, we have to use it at different times. So, goods. Cargo means goods. Next important word is capacity. Capacity is a noun. Capacity is a noun. It means noun. It means capacity means it's an abstract noun actually. Noun abstract noun. Capacity means ability. Capacity means A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, ability. Important word as well. So these are the meanings. These are the important words for you that you have to know. Keywords, the central words, the important words from the text are given here. So these are the words that you have to know. Write down the meanings. I hope that you have written the words. Okay. Now go to the question first and then go to the text. What do you see? What could be this place and how do you know? You know picture on your book this picture. Look at the picture. The picture is of an airport, isn't it? The picture is of an airport.
Yes, sir.
What could be this place? Airport. Yes. How do you know that?
Sir, immigration center দেখা যাচ্ছে.
Yes, there is immigration center.
Booth.
And planes are flying, I think. So, this is an airport. Now read the text and complete the chart. There is a chart below. You have to complete it. The plane landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport at 4:55 p.m. 4:55 p.m. So, landed means got down. G-O-T, got, D-O-W, and got down, landed. It's a verb, you know, landed. The plane landed, got down at Suvarnabhumi Airport at 4:55 p.m. The name Suvarnabhumi is pronounced. Pronounced means uttered. U-T-T-E-R-E-D, uttered. Uchcharon kora, bola. Pronounced. Pronounced, the word is very common, you know. So its meaning is uttered. Pronounced, present form, pronounced, past form, utter, present form, uttered, past form. Uttered. As Suvarnabhumi. The name is derived. You know derived meaning? You have got the meaning. Derived means?
Originated.
Originated.
Sir, arrived by originated.
Originate is better. Arrive means পৌঁছানো, not exactly like this. Derive means power, asha, comes. So derive from Sanskrit, which means golden land. Which means golden land. Some students are without college number. Please write down your Toha. Toha, write down your college number. And the others, a few without the college number, write down your college number, please. Okay? Write down your college numbers, please. From next on, you will not be allowed in the class without your college number. Be careful about this. Toha, write down your college number, please. Okay? The name is derived from Sanskrit, which means golden land. The word means golden lands. Then the name was chosen by King Bhumibol Adulyadej. Bhumibol Adulyadej. The airport is located. You got the meaning previously, you know. Located means situated. It's an adjective, verb and adjective. Situated. Located means situated, placed also. Similar to this. Located, situated. Very important word, located. So write down the words. In Richa Thewa in the Bangli district of Samut Prakan province. Province, you know, province means it's a noun. Province means state. State, isn't it? Province means state.
রাজ্য এরকম
রাজ্য, part of a large country. State. Do you have any state or province in Bangladesh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nah,
America has states, isn't it? How many states are there? America,
50. The 50?
51. India,
জানি না
39.
29 states. So states are
জম্মু কাশ্মীর তো ভেঙে গেছিল
no, Jammu Kashmir, no, not free. 29 states.
ওকে স্যার বুঝছি
So province means state, 30 kilometers east of Bangkok. The airport has two parallel runways, equal and collateral. Parallel runways, same. Both of them are 60-meter wide. The length wide is equal, same, 60-meter wide. Wide is an adjective. Noun form is
হোয়াইট
wide. Good, very good. One of the
টিএইচ হবে স্যার
yes, th হবে, right. Wide, right. Noun is a noun. Long in noun form key. What is the noun form of long?
লেন্থ
Length, very good. So wide, long, length, strong,
স্ট্রেংথ
strength. Well done, good. So one of the runways is 4,000 meter long, and the other is 3,700 meters. So in length there is somewhat differences, difference, but the width or width is equal. The length is somewhat different. It can handle means manage. M-A-N-A-G-E, manage. It's a verb, handle, manage. Or drive. Manage or drive, handle. Manage kora. Vyabostha kora. Verb is a verb, handle. 76 flight. Operations. Operation means here, it's a noun. Operate is a verb. Operation is a noun. What does it mean, operation?
তার চিকিৎসা ক্ষেত্রে সার্জারি
Surgery, but here activity, action. Operation means action or activity or action. Noun, these are noun, okay? So operation means activity or action. Important words these are. So you know you need words where in choose the best answer. In MCQ you have to know the most similar words, the antonym as well. So operation similar to activity and action. Very much important words these are for you. So write down the words per hour. So 76 flight operation per hour. It can manage 45 million passengers and 3 million tons of cargo per year. So it can manage or handle 3 million tons of cargo, goods, and 45 million passengers, a large number, isn't it? It's a great number of passenger and goods. Next page, next one. Next one, the airport. The airport passenger terminal is 5,63,000 square meter. 5,63,000 square meter. And that is 60,60,000. 60,60,000 square feet. It is the fourth biggest passenger terminal. Terminal means terminal.
Station.
Station. Good. Very good. Well done. Station. Station. Terminal means station. Passenger station. Building in the world. This is fourth one. Largest in context of large or area. With the large, with the fourth largest one in the world. The airport is going through phase number 2. Phase means it's a noun as well. Phase
Part-
also is a noun.
Part
Stage, dhap. বাংলা mean হচ্ছে ধাপ. Stage. So phase means stage. Phase, it will raise. Raise means grow. Raise is another important word, you know, raise. Yeah, raise means grow here. GR.
increase.
Oh, the increase. Okay, increase. Another similar word. Increase. Grow or increase. Raise means বৃদ্ধি করা, বাড়ানো. Another raise means raise your hand. Lift. Another meaning is lift. Another meaning is lift. So grow here, raise means grow or increase. Another meaning is lift. Actually here is not lift, it means grow or increase. Lift, another meaning, lift your hand or raise your hand. So it will raise the airport's capacity, ability, you know. Capacity is a noun, ability similar to this as we got earlier. To handle 65 million passengers per year. It can handle 65 million passengers per year. The airport has 2 5-story car parking buildings. Imagine 2 5-story car parking park buildings that we don't have in our country, but in Thailand they have managed to build 5-story car parking buildings. This is absolutely remarkable, okay? Mentionable. The buildings can house 5,000 cars. So 5,000 cars at the same time can get there, go there, can take sit there. So this is the passage about. We got some important words from there and some important meanings as well. So a very important thing you have got from there. Okay. So now come to the next one. Come to the next page. Lesson number 8, the destination. The destination meaning?
Sir,
Yes.
lesson ই নাম্বারের অ্যান্সার ঠিক বুঝতে পারতেছি না।
Lesson কত number?
6.
Lesson 6 তো previous class এ করেছিলাম. Any problem?
Yes sir.
Where?
Number 2.
Lesson 6 এর
Yes sir.
Sorry, come everybody to lesson number 6. Can we do at the last of our class, at the ending of our class? Can you do this?
ওকে স্যার
Sir, just sir.
Ask me the question.
মুস্তাসিম ক্লাসের শেষে বল।
হ্যাঁ.
Sir,
Yes.
sir এই যে just sir MCQ যে নাম্বারটা আছে just এইগুলা।
Okay, MCQ. 6 and MCQs. Okay, come back to 6 lesson 6 MCQs. Choose the best answer. Number 1. There are this.
Doors.
স্যার মনে হয় স্যার ওর 2 নাম্বারটা প্রবলেম স্যার।
In the 6 number.
Yes sir.
Number 2. In the announcement, the cabin crew asked each passenger to test their life vest. Trace, take, find, uncover.
প্লিজ
Trace. I think trace is the best because at that moment you need not to actually find out, but trace. Where is it? So trace is better, I think. Trace. Trace means identify. So 2 number trace is better. I give the answer trace. Motasim got? Motasim, what the answer? Okay, I think you have got the answer. Okay. Now unit 6, lesson number 8. Lesson number 8. Come to lesson number 8. Lesson number 8 is destination. Destination. Another important lesson, you know, very important because there are important text and filling the gaps here. Very much important. Destination is a noun. Destination is a noun. What does it mean? Goal. Destination means goal. G-O-A-L, goal. Destination, goal. Okay. Write down the meanings. Important word, destination. There should be destination in our life. আমাদের অবশ্যই গোল থাকতে হবে, ডেস্টিনেশন থাকতে হবে। Okay, our destination actually death. So goal. Goal similar to destination. Fascinate. Just look come to the keywords. Fascinate. Fascinate is a verb, you know. Very much important word. Can you tell the meaning of it? Anyone? Mutasim or any other one? Purjo?
স্যার কোনটা স্যার?
Fascinate. Nafi? Can anybody tell the meaning of fascinate? Bangla
স্যার
meaning?
ওয়েট।
Bangla
স্যার
meaning?
মুগ্ধ মুগ্ধ
মুগ্ধ করা, হ্যাঁ, মুগ্ধ করা, মন্ত্রমুগ্ধ কিংবা মুগ্ধ করা, fascinate.
স্যার
Similar meaning,
অ্যামেজড।
similar meaning allure. A double L, A-L-L-U-R-E, allure. Attract, attract, fascinate, allure, attract, মুগ্ধ করা. Very much important word. Write down the meanings.
গ্ল্যামার হয় না?
Yes.
স্যার গুগল ট্রান্সলেটর পাইছি স্যার।
Okay. So fascinate means allure or attract. Fascinating, alluring, attractive. Very much important, absolutely important words these for it. Write down the meaning. Okay. So fascinate. Destination got the meaning. Floating means. Floating means.
এসে থাকা।
P-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying over. Flying over. উপরে চলা. Floating is flying over. Flying over. Floating. ভাসমান মানে ভেসে চলা মানে flying over, উপরে চলা. Floating. You can float in the air. So flying over, chola, upore chola. On the water. So flying over water. So flying over means flying, mane upore chola. It can be water, it can be air. So floating means flying over. Market meaning, you know. Dukan. Read the text below and complete it with the right form of verb. Very much important thing that is coming to you from the box. You can use one verb more than once if necessary. So there are the words, you know, you get the words. You can use the words to complete. You have to use the words to complete the text. So I am giving a few minutes to do this. Can you do this now?
Yes sir.
3 or 4 minutes. Is it
Yes,
enough?
sir.
Okay, do this. Is it
Okay,
easy?
sir.
Yes, sir.
I think that you will be able to do this. Okay, I give you a few minutes to do this. Then we'll match you answer with mine. You will match your answers with mine. Okay, so do this now.
ওকে স্যার।
The words are be, wait, give, excited, nod, go, hold, take, write, stand. So do the text. Do the fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps with the words. So you have to actually use the right form of verb. You know, right form of verb. So do this. A few minutes are given to for this task. Do this now.
Sir, complete, sir.
Very good. You have taken less time, very less time. Very good. So, others? What's about others? Have you completed? Hamid, Toha, Turjo, Rafi?
Sir, one remaining.
On remaining, okay, try. I'm giving 1 minute more. Sifat Usul is here, Sami, Hamid Ahmed, Rafi, and many others. But only 30 of you are present today.
স্যার আজকে 30 জনের মতোই প্রেজেন্ট ছিল।
Okay, can we start? Well, let's start, okay? Mita was dashed to see.
Excited.
Excited, good.
Sir,
Mita
excited.
was excited to see such a big airport. After completing immigration, they all came out of the airport. Mr. Mazur Islam dashed to the taxi counter.
Went.
When?
As
Sir,
yes,
went.
past tense, it should be went to the taxi counter and bought a ticket. They stood in a line, dashed for the turn.
Sir,
Waiting.
Waiting.
They stood in line,
Sir, waiting.
No, they stood in line waiting for the turn. There should be waiting. Because this is non-finite verb in a single sentence. Most correct and waiting.
Sir, waited na?
No. If there was
Waiting
post
hobe.
waiting. It should be waiting because non-finite verb. They stood in line waiting for their turn. Waiting for their turn. Soon their taxi came and they all got into it. Mita's uncle
Gave.
gave the driver his address. Happy Kondo 18 Rachada Pisak Road. The driver dash
Noted.
nodded nodded and started for the destination. Mita
Was.
excited.
Was,
She
sir,
dashed-
was.
He was.
Exactly. She dashed me Jara's hand.
Sir, held.
Held.
She held Jara's hand and whispered, "Oh Jara, I can't believe I am here with you, and I am so happy." Mita had never
Road.
Sir, road.
road ridden past participle. Headed for a head is followed by past participle. Ridden a car at such a high speed. Road ridden. Road ridden. There should be ridden. Head is followed by the verb form. Which verb form? Verb 3. So had ridden, never ridden a car at such a high speed. She
Got.
Sir, got.
got a little scared. Scared means afraid or frightened. Scared means afraid or frightened. Okay? Scared means afraid or frightened. It dashed about 1.
Sir, took.
It took about 1.5 hours to reach the destination. Mita's uncle paid the driver according to the meter. The driver dashed out.
Took.
Sir, took out.
Their luggage, thanked Mr. Islam and drove away. Good, well done. You could do everything but save one, that is did, had is followed by, so you should remember that head is followed by verb 3. Okay, you have to be careful about had. Now the text. Another important text, very important, Mita read the text and answer the following questions. There are some questions, you can answer this. Mita looked around and saw a garden of trees and flowers welcoming her. So you got the meaning, welcome mean?
Greet.
Great, good,
Greet.
very good. Welcoming her, greeting her. There was a small fountain. Fountain meaning?
Don't know.
Fountain meaning ঝর্ণা, কে বলেছো? ঝর্ণা, good. Fountain ঝর্ণা. Spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring, ঝর্ণা. So fountain means
Sir.
spring, ঝর্ণা, yes. Spring ঝর্ণা, fountains for ঝর্ণা. Fountain at the middle means center of the garden, bringing in cool breeze. শীতল বাতাস, breeze means wind, cool. So Mita love the place. Love means another meaning. A-D-O-R-E-T. Adore.
Right.
No, love means adore. Love means adore.
I appreciate, sir.
Not like this. Love means adore. A-D-O-R-E-T. Adore.
I appreciate.
Appreciate is different thing, but love is adore or like. Can be similar to this, but love exact similar is adore. Okay, write down the word. This is exceptionally important for you. So right, love means adore. Mita love the place. Mita brought a suitcase as well as a piece of carry-on luggage. She brought a carry-on luggage. She carried her luggage to the elevator. Elevator meaning lift. Elevator means lift. Elevator means lift. So what is the difference between lift and elevator? Can you tell?
লিফট হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটা রুমের মতো আমাদেরকে উপরে নিয়ে যায়, আর এলিভেটরে সিঁড়ির মতো হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমাদেরকে ওটা অটোমেটিক সিঁড়ি আমাদেরকে উপরে
আর
পৌঁছে
লিফট
দেয়।
হচ্ছে
Lift and
আমেরিকান, স্যার লিফট হচ্ছে আমেরিকান শব্দ আর এলিভেটর হচ্ছে ব্রিটিশ।
Yes,
Bhai, বুঝছি,
lift and elevator same meaning, same thing. But one is American, another one is British. The lift is American, elevator is British.
ওই সিঁড়িটা হলো এসকেলেটর।
Escalator, right? Exactly. So elevator, difference between lift and elevator, meaning same. The different words, meaning same. Elevator is American and lift is British. Sorry, lift is American, elevator is British. And pressed means stressed, ed, past tense. Verb as well, accordingly it's a verb. A button that said 6. Our uncle's apartment, again apartment meaning similar meaning. Flat, good. But what is the difference? Meaning same. Difference? Any difference?
Maybe sir,
One
British
is
American.
Yes,
British
same,
and one is
same.
American.
Like the elevator, apartment is British and flat is American.
American.
One is American, another one is British. So apartment is British, flat is American. Lift is American, and elevator is British. Same. Apartment was on the seventh floor. It was a nicely done 2-bedroom apartment. It's an apartment 2-bedroom with 2 bedroom. Mita and Jara were going to share the same room. They are going to share the same room. Then next page. It was nearly 8 p.m. Nearly 8 p.m. When they all got settled. Settled means fixed. Adjective.
Fixed.
Fixed. Adjective. These are adjective. Settled means got settled. Settled means fixed. Verb plus adjective. Verb come adjective. Fixed. Settled. They finished dinner and started to plan for the next day. You got the meaning of plan in the previous class. Mita read about the floating market in the internet. She got the idea. She tried to get the idea about floating market in the internet, and as you do now, and wanted to see one. She wanted to see one. Well. Then you have to wake up very early tomorrow. You have to get up early tomorrow. The market sits early in the morning and is over before noon. We are going to the Dhaka floating market. Tomorrow, said Mr. Islam. Oh, cried Mita and Jara together. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, dad. So this is the text about the journey. They are going to visit Dhaka floating market. There are some 4 questions. I think that we will have enough time to do this. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes. Or can you take this as homework and we'll discuss it tomorrow, inshallah? We have a class tomorrow,
Okay,
7:30. We can discuss the question tomorrow.
Homework, sir.
So take these questions as homework. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these questions as homework.
Screenshot নিয়ে রাখলাম।
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can take screenshot. You have also
বইয়েই তো
board.
আছে।
EFT, yes, yep. You have EFT with you, I think. You can solve the questions on EFT book. Okay, so this is the these are also important. These questions important, very much important, and this page is also important. Filling the gaps come from here. Many other things will come from here. So these pages are very much important, and this unit also important. So any more question to ask? Do you have any question like that one that who asked
Sir,
that? Yes.
without word meaning, what can be given in the exam?
Without or say word meaning, there can be given some logic ideas, some facts, true, false. That means question like maybe like this: what is the true idea about Mita? 1, 2, A, B, C, D. Okay. What is not true about Mita? A, B, C, D. So question may come like this.
এটা তো ট্রু ফলস এর মতো হয়েছে।
Actually not true false like this. You have to choose the best answer from 4. চারটা থেকে একটা তোমাকে চুজ করতে হবে। 4 will be given. So you have to go through the text very minutely. আমরা তো we have completed, alhamdulillah, we have completed from the first 1 to 6 আমরা শেষ করলাম, শেষ করছি, we are going to finish inshallah. Tomorrow we will be able to complete it in the class. Only one lesson left, 9 number left, isn't it? So after this,
Yes,
we will be
sir.
able to complete the text inshallah tomorrow. Then we'll be inshallah whole course, whole syllabus of the first term exam will be finished inshallah. Then will be good preparation, I think, if you complete this. Okay. And if you have any more questions, you can set the question, bring the question in the next class. We'll discuss this inshallah tomorrow.
স্যার
Sir.
Yes,
আসসালামু
tell.
আলাইকুম স্যার।
Tell,
Sir,
tell,
can
no.
you just-
We're not completing
can
here,
you
okay?
just-
2 minutes,
Sir,
1
can
minute
you
more.
just okay, so can you sir just scroll up? Sir, আমি মানে একটু লেট করছিলাম, so আমি মনে হয় একটু লেসন
Okay, I'm going up, okay. Wait a minute.
স্যার টার্ম এক্সামে কি স্যার শুধু ইএফটি থেকে আসবে নাকি স্যার ওই যে প্রেফিক্স সার্ভিস আর্টিকেল এগুলো আসবে?
Grammar section will be set in exam.
গ্রামারও তো আছে।
শুধু রাইটিং সবকিছু
Is it here?
এমসিকিউ হিসেবে আছে।
Is it here?
even more up.
More up. Here, I think, Lesson 7.
Sir, even further a bit more up.
Lesson 6.
Yes,
the best
we're
answer.
getting closer.
Yes. So the best answer.
Yeah, even a more up. Like I missed the first part of the lesson. I came halfway.
First half of the lesson, which one? Lesson 7 or 8?
Did we start from 7? Where
We started
did we start
from 7, yes. We started from 7.
Oh, so I got it now. Sir,
Yes.
ইংলিশের উপরে কি ধরনের এমসিকিউ আসতে পারে?
You got the idea, I think, in the previous exam. Didn't you?
Sir, I forgot.
Choose the best answer. Grammar will be set.
Yes, sir.
You have to choose the best answer from alternatives. 4 will be given. So you have to choose the best answer from text, similar antonym, true, false, like. And for grammar items, you have to different grammar items. Articles is there. There are suffix and prefix, etc. So this can be set in your exam. Transformation as well.